Hello everyone, my name is Dave Partner, and in this video tutorial series we will be looking through blockchain and cryptocurrencies. And the reason I'm making this video is that this is a completely new technology, but then the problem is solving is so important that this technology is basically what will take over the rest of our future. And a whole lot of billionaires have been made. People have become millionaires, multimillionaires and billionaires within the last 8 years because this technology is just 8 years old. But the problem is that if you search through the internet, you won't just get a coordinated explanation and in-depth general overview explanation of what this really is. I bet if you're watching this video, you might still be confused about what actually is blockchain, what is cryptocurrency, what is Bitcoin, what is Ethereum, how do they all relate? So that is why I'm making this video. I want to take this terminology step by step and show you through. So this is a theoretical course, but then at the end of the day, you will walk off this course knowing a whole lot about cryptocurrencies and blockchains. The blockchain technology was proposed in the 1990s, but it was finally built in 2009. And people that invested then, if you invested 2 cents into Bitcoin in 2009, by 2017 that 2 cents would have worth $6,000. So that is how many people who invested $1,000, $10,000 in 2010 have become mega millionaires today. And today as we're speaking, people are selling all their properties. If you Google the internet, you see people selling their whole properties just to buy Bitcoin, because people are staking a lot. The rest of the world has not caught up to what Bitcoin really is, to what cryptocurrencies are and what blockchains are. The rest of the world has not caught up. So if you're watching this video in between 2017, 18 and probably 19, you're among the first people to catch on. And you have a big opportunity if you're among the first people. Remember when the internet first showed up in the 90s, the people that started something, an internet-based business, then have become multi-millionaires now. So let us check. The first person is Elon Musk. He started X2 in 1994, between 1994 and 1996, and today that made him a lot of money. He eventually moved into PayPal, and from then on he has started SpaceX, he has started Tesla, he has started the Boring Company, a whole lot of companies. He's so rich now because when he was young, at the age of 24, he leveraged the power of the internet, because the internet was a new technology then. Now that was around the time that Amazon started, and that was around the time that Google started, Yahoo started, Facebook started a little later on. But by the time Facebook was starting, people didn't understand what social networking was. So this is at the same time, we're at the same kind of time right now when the blockchain and cryptocurrencies are still like 8 years old. It's not even up to 10 years, and the rest of the world has not caught up. So there are about 17 million people who have created cryptocurrency accounts, and the whole world is about 7.6 billion people. So as you can see, this is the right time. If you're even investing now, you might be regretting that you didn't invest in 2009 when Bitcoin was worth 2 cents. Right now it's still very early. If you invest now that Bitcoin is worth $6,000, it is still very early, because by this time next year in 2018, it is estimated that Bitcoin might spiral up to $20,000. But however, this video tutorial is not just about Bitcoin. It's just going to show you what Bitcoin is, but it's also about blockchain. Blockchain is a technology that on which Bitcoin is built on, and not just Bitcoin, all these other technology, all these other cryptocurrencies. The technology on which it is built on can handle other things, more than just cryptocurrency trading and stuff. The technology can do a whole lot of things. For instance, it can help, or it can be used in prevention of crime, can be used in real estate, can be used in like they're using it right now in sharing computing processing power. Alright, so this is a new technology. People are building stuff off it. So if you're watching this video, you are doing the right thing. I want you to sit down, sit back, and let me take you through this ride and by the end of this video you will understand everything about blockchains and cryptocurrencies and Ethereum and Bitcoin and mining and how they all relate to each other. So thank you very much. See you in the next video, and let's go ahead.